people, this is Sun, that's Pop, and we're going to be making a chrome silver surfer.
That's right. He said it. You heard it first time ever on a video that we're trying this.
Yeah.
We're doing a
silver chrome
custom Funko Pop. So stick around, check it out. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
What's poppin', people?
This is Sun, that's Pop, and we're going to be making a silver chrome
Silver Surfer.
Silver Surfer.
There we go. Welcome.
I got lost.
You got lost for a second because we're doing something a little different today. We're not unboxing. We're not reviewing. We're creating today. We got something brand new for you that we're trying out. But before we get into that, if this is your first time here, welcome.
Subscribe.
And subscribe, like he said. Wait a minute. You're cutting me off now. Just click on that subscribe bell down there.
Actually, for real, down there. It might be either there or there. No one knows.
Regardless, there's a toolbar down there. It says subscribe with a bell next to it. Click on subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications.
No, it doesn't have a bell on it.
It has a little bell. If you tap it, he said it. You heard it. And while you're there, in that bar, you'll see a thumbs up for a like. Give us a like.
It says like under it.
It says like under it. And
turn it gray to blue.
If you really like what you see,
comment
down below. Let us know how we did. This is our first time doing this.
Something says comment section, and if you comment, the comment section where it says it's blue.
Right.
I'm confused.
He confused himself. So, like I said, we're trying something different today. This is our first time attempting doing a chrome Funko Pop. I know everybody's not crazy about chromes, but to me, there was always one that had to be chrome that wasn't done already. And to me, being a big Marvel fan, that was the Silver Surfer. Now, they just did a Silver Surfer Pop. You'll see right there. But to me, it still kind of fell flat. And it didn't really do it justice because Silver Surfer, first of all, like the original Funko Pop, had black eyes. Because the older Funkos, of course, had black eyes.
It's right there, you guys.
The new one, they gave them like white eyes with a black outline. To me, Silver Surfer is all silver. So we're going to correct that for you today and shine them up a little bit. So we're going to take this project outside. So we'll see you in a second.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody?
Yeah.
So today we're outside.
Yeah.
We're trying something new. Like we said earlier, we're trying our first shot at what?
Spray painting a Funko.
Making our first ever custom Funko Pop.
No, we did a couple.
We did a couple test runs, so now we're trying it out on the real thing. Please sorry for if there's any background noise because we're outside today because this is a project we have to do outside.
Yeah, and also check out my channel at Aiden Collects and Creates.
Yep.
And my first video is actually making a silver Funko.
Yep. He's got his own channel right now that he does more things like this as far as collecting and creating, and because he's all about creating. So we're trying this out.
I make stuff out of clay.
Today what we're doing a lot of people aren't fans of chrome Funko Pops, but there was always one Funko Pop that I thought that should be chrome, and that was this guy here, the Silver Surfer. He was never made into a chrome Funko Pop. I mean, they gave him a nice metallic finish, but I think they could have done more with them. So we're going to try to customize him today. So what we're doing with that, and the way we're doing that, we're using two things today. We're using Spastic Spray Paint Ultimate Black Backer.
Also, sorry if you hear birds in the background.
Yeah, the birds are tweeting, the air conditioners are running, and the other one we're using is the Spastic Ultimate Mirror Chrome.
Here's the first one.
Now, first what I did was I took the original base off of Silver Surfer, which you'll see, and I replaced him with. We're going to glue that back on, but I replaced him with popsicle sticks, so this way we can hold him a little bit better. Pop, 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 popsicle. So this way we can hold them a little bit better when we spray them, get a nice even coat. So we're going to start on that, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, first things first, you want to make sure that the Funko Pop is completely cleaned off, that there's no dust, no debris, anything that can get mixed in with the paint when you're trying. This way you get a nice even coat. There were some flaws already in the paint job on him that you could see on the back there. Okay, so that might show up a little bit when we do this. But the first thing we're going to apply here is the Spastic black backer. Okay, this one you got to put with the chrome paint just to get that metallic finish, that shiny finish afterwards. So we're going to paint over him here. That's why I put the sticks at the bottom, so this way we can hold him without touching anything. Okay, so let's get started. Gotta shake this up real good. Now the first coat you want to put on nice and light, just almost like a dusting, but you want to make sure you get them all around. I'm probably going to spray my finger a little bit, but oh well, that happens. The reason why we do it light is because we want to make sure that we don't get any runs in our paint. We will put another coat on him, so this way we make sure we cover everything. But like I said, just want to get a light dusting. And then we'll let him dry. Get the board down here, get the top of his head. Sides. And that's it. We'll do another coat. We'll let that dry first. We'll come back and do another coat there, and we'll be right back. Okay, round two. We're just doing another coat of the black, just because, as you can see in the back, missed a couple spots. We just want to make sure everything's fully covered here. As you notice, this time I put on gloves too, because I don't have black fingernails. I'm rock, but I'm not that rock. Okay, so let's get him back here. Flip him around, make sure we get the other side really good. You just want to make sure you get a nice even coat on this black. This way that chrome shows up really nice. Like I said, you want to spray it on nice and light, so this way it goes on evenly. We'll get the bottom here. And that looks like I got everything. Sorry, kind of oversprayed there. Good to go. Now we just let him dry for 20 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, after we got a nice even coat of the black on here, we're going to start with our first coat of the mirror chrome Spastic. Okay, this one you want to spray on the first coat nice and light, almost like a dusting. This way you'll be probably even barely able to see it on the first round. This way we get it nice and even. Nice light dusting on him. So we're going to start with the front. Kind of flipping around fast on that one. Get underneath here, both sides. Okay, that's it for the first coat. We'll let that dry and sit for another about 20 minutes and put on another coat. Okay guys, round two of this Spastic mirror chrome. You can see this one, it's not really showing up that reflective. You should notice a difference after this round, so we'll see how it comes out. Once again, just do it very lightly. Underneath here. So you want to go very light because you don't want it to run or spill or anything like that. But you notice already the difference in the paint. You should notice more after the next coat. Let's get the board down here a little bit more. That's why I'm wearing gloves, so this way you don't chrome your fingers. Alright, so we'll let that dry and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, round 3. As you can tell, he's looking a lot better now, a little shinier. And this is going to take, just give you a heads up, about 5 coats in this. We're on the 3rd one, so 2 more after this. So maybe we'll speed things up a little bit for you. These last 2 coats are just to make sure everything's covered. Get that board good under there. Okay, very cool. Okay guys, last two coats you're going to want to go on a little heavier just to make sure you cover everything and smooth everything out. Okay, that's it, final rounds, but not too heavy. The reason why I say it's not too heavy is because you don't want it to run. Get that board down there. Get his bum. Okay, one more coat and we should be done. Okay guys, last round, and then we're going to polish this bad boy up and see how it looks. Okay? Like I said, this round we're going to do a little bit heavier on the spray. Okay, that's it. We will polish him up, see how shiny he comes out. We're back inside. Welcome back, everybody. So, project is done for the day.
Yep.
We were outside, and looks like it was pretty successful.
Yeah.
We did some final touches to him.
We did little polish.
Because with that chrome paint, you want to take a soft cloth and just buff it out a little bit. This way you get just very soft, very light. You don't want to go too hard because then you'll damage the paint on it because...
It will just wipe the paint right off.
Well, not wipe it up, but you'll scratch it.
Yeah.
Because it is like a chrome finish, so you don't want to scratch it. And we glued him back on his base. You want to show him?
Yeah. Here's our Silver Surfer. I can't talk at all.
So, let me show him off.
It feels nice, clean.
Feels nice and clean. Looks nice and clean. Looks like the way I think the Silver Surfer should have been done originally. He's shinier. He's flashier. He's all silver. None of the crazy white eyes or anything like that. Just all silver all the way around. Now,
here's the old Silver Surfer.
That's to kind of compare.
And that's the new one that we chromed.
Now, the thing is with this too, like I said, I even left the eyes, everything silver on him. But I'm going to put him up on the spindle so you guys can get a better look at him.
Yeah.
that was him, guys.
Yeah,
what do you
that
think?
was him on the spindle.
That was him on the spindle. Looking shiny, looking silvery, looking better than he was. Like I said, it just always bothered me because Silver Surfer, he's silver. He's not white eyes, not black eyes or anything. All silver, and he should be a little shinier than he was.
Yeah.
And that's what we did. We definitely gave him more of a shine, more of a silver look to him than he originally was. So, cool. I had fun doing it. You had fun doing it?
I have fun doing it.
It was easy.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
How'd we do, guys? Let us know what you think
Tell
down
us
below.
in the comments.
That's what the comments are there for. Leave it down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know how we did.
Section, I already said all about that.
One of my first customs that I did, and I'm pretty proud of. You proud of yours?
No, you also did a Squirtle.
We did that diamond Squirtle. I was tempted to do a diamond Silver Surfer too, but I think that'd be just way too much.
Yeah, because I would think, like, put this on, and then while it's still wet, make sure it stays wet, then, like, do that, but that it wouldn't look that cool, because there would still be, like,
Would take away from the detail.
Yeah, it would, like, take away all the detail.
Cool. So, very cool. A lot of fun with this one today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope maybe you learned something. Try it at home. It's easy enough to do. The paints and everything we talked about, you can get them on Amazon. Just spastic
Actually,
miracle.
anywhere.
Well, no, Amazon. That's where I got them from.
Yeah, but you could get them anywhere.
Maybe.
Maybe
I try.
anywhere.
I Amazon everything. So, guys, in the meantime, keep on popping.
Keep on rocking.
We'll see you in the next one.
Keep on popping in the free world.
Keep on popping in the free world. Happy 4th of July.